You're going to be disconnecting the battery while you perform this work, so depending on your year, make, and options on your 997.2, you may need to have a scan tool to reset certain things. Do not attempt to replace the alternator without disconnecting the battery. Serious damage can happen to you and the vehicle if you do not disconnect the battery. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. You will need to remove the air box and remove the drive belt from the alternator. If your drive belt is good, you do not need to remove it from the vehicle, just off the alternator pulley, yellow arrow. Again, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance. If you're just removing the alternator belt off the pulley, put a 30mm wrench on the nub end of the belt tensioner lever and turn it clockwise as far as it will go. Porsche highly recommends you remove the power steering pulley. It can be easily damaged by the weight of the alternator while you're moving it around. Take an extra 5 minutes and use an E12 Torx and remove the 3 bolts, red arrow, and wiggle the pulley off the pump, yellow arrow. You may want to loosen these bolts before you remove the drive belt. Use your E12 and loosen and remove the right bolt, yellow arrow. Next, just fully loosen the left bolt, red arrow. It will remain loosely in the alternator. It does not come out. Rotate the alternator counterclockwise and out from the right mount, red arrow. Then lift the alternator out from the other mount. You may need a very small pry bar here depending on how tight it is in there. Here you can see that the one bolt is still in place, yellow arrow, and will come out with the alternator. Reach in behind with your hand and disconnect the electrical connector by squeezing in on the tab on the connector, red arrow, and sliding it back and off. Working on the rear of the alternator, flip open the plastic protective cap and remove the 13mm nut holding the cable to the alternator, red arrow. You will be doing this mostly by feel, as it's almost impossible to see back there. I took this image with a borescope. Before removing the alternator, check for any other retaining clips and separate them, red arrow. Here you can see the main cable, yellow arrow. The alternator is now free and can be removed from the engine bay. Be careful, it is heavy. If you are reinstalling the alternator, it might help to move the metal bushings back a little, red arrows, to ease in installation. Installation is the reverse of removal, and torque the 13mm bolt to 18 Nm or 13 foot-pounds, and the 2 E12s to 15 Nm or 11 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.